Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. This is my second day at Cape Cod. We are going to go offshore fishing trip. Today, the target fish are cod, pollock, haddock. It looks again a beautiful day. Hopefully, we have more fun today. Passion fishing, happy living. I'll update you when I get there. Massachusetts regulation require cod has to be minimum 22 inch and maximum 28 inch to keep. Look at that one. Oh, I got him. Wow, that one was. Who's that? Wow. Ooh, oh, look. Oh, man.
You're gonna lose all your tackle.
Look at that shark. Hey ladies and gentlemen, boy I'm tired. We just finished up today's fishing and heading back. Man, we did good today. We hit the limit for the cod, which is 5 fish per person. And we caught so many haddock. We also caught a few redfish and one whiting. We had a good time for the 2 days fishing trip, and I cannot wait coming back again. This cod was in deep sea hours ago, but now it's in my kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called Kungpao cod. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started. First, let's fillet the fish. Then cut the fillet into strips, and further cut the strips into half-inch cube. We'll need hot pepper, black pepper, cashew, and scallion. Fully cover the fish cube with starch. To prepare the sauce, you need 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper and a half teaspoon dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon starch. Fry the fish cube until they are golden brown. Add pepper, scallion, and hot pepper in the wok and start stirring fry. Add the prepared sauce at this time. Add the fish and the cashew in the wok and keep stirring fry. Finally, to add some seasoned oil to improve the flavor and appearance. This is the Kungpao codfish I'm talking about. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.